In this recipe, we are going to see how to make instant tiramisu without egg and without alcohol. In a bowl, take half cup of whipping cream, cold whipping cream. Then we need to beat this until stiff peaks. You can use beater or a hand whisk. You can also use, instead of whipping cream, fresh cream of Amul or any other brand. But then remember to add sugar in it, powdered sugar. So now I'm adding some cream cheese. So this authentic tiramisu is made from mascarpone, which is not usually easily available. So this cream cheese is a very good substitute of it. So I am using a new pack of this Delecta cream cheese, which is of 169 rupees and is easily available in confectionaries, and you can also buy it online. Also, how to make cream cheese, I am soon going to upload a video of it. I am adding total almost 3 tablespoons of this cream cheese. Now this cream cheese is something which contains salt, a bit taste of cheese, and is a bit buttery in taste if you haven't tasted it yet. So I am adding almost total 3 tablespoons. You can adjust the amount of this according to your taste. So all the bake and no bake cream cheese cake are made with this cream cheese, and it is usually tasty only when it is mixed with something like whipping cream. So I am again beating it for a few seconds just so this combines well together. I am also adding almost 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can add it if you have. Give it a good stir, and now this is ready. I am going to refrigerate it until the next step. So here you need to take a bowl or a flat plate like this, add 2 tablespoons of coffee and almost 2/3 cup of water into it. You can add sugar according to your taste. Like I am adding 2 tablespoons. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar according how tasty you want your coffee to be, or you can also make it bitter by not adding sugar. Just for your information, a lot coffee was left after I made my tiramisu, so you can take 1 tablespoon instead of 2 and then accordingly add the water. Here for the biscuit, I have taken normal digestive Nutri-Choice biscuit. So you can take any biscuit of your choice. In tiramisu, ladyfinger biscuit is usually used. So I am making it my version of tiramisu. So I have taken a biscuit which is easily available in the local bakeries. You need to dip it nicely in this coffee mixture until it is nicely wet. Keep it for few seconds, and for assembling I am using such dessert glass. You can use any glass or any vessel that is at your home. The first thing will be the biscuit, the wet biscuit, and the next layer will be of the whipping cream and cream cheese mixture. So you can take a thick layer like 2 to 3 tablespoons of it using a spoon or a spatula. You can even it out. Now here I am dusting some cocoa powder. This is optional. If you like cocoa powder, then you can dust it, or you can even dust coffee powder. Again the next layer will be of the wet biscuit. So here, as the area is a bit bigger, I have also taken another biscuit and broke it into 2. So just so it covers the whole area. Again the whipping cream and cream cheese mixture. So this can be the last layer, or if your glass is bigger, then you can continue doing this and add anything of your choice. Even it out using a spoon or a spatula. So again on the top I am dusting some cocoa powder, and this is done. Your homemade 10 minutes instant tiramisu is ready. Now you can refrigerate it for some time or have it right away. So tiramisu are not usually very tasty like the cream cheese cake or the usual cakes that we eat, yet popular. And it is popular because a lot of people like this and eat this, as it doesn't contain a lot of sugar in it. So this is very soft because of the rich cream that we have added, and of course the coffee flavored biscuits have given this a very authentic taste. So if you are craving for dessert and do not want to gain weight, then this is the perfect dessert for you. Plus it is made within 10 minutes.